Okay, so I continued working the energy system, and I did the part of the energy system when it comes to the... Okay, why did I spawn there? When it comes to the attributes. I think I forgot to change the map, but... Yeah, anyway, so... Okay, so first thing is that the systems here I didn't realize, but some of the systems are missing in the previous update videos. For example, the engine wasn't there, the steering wheel wasn't there, stuff like that. And right now I started a new save, and right now what I did is just that the systems come with energy when you first start the game. So for example, the shield and engine, and then if I jump, don't mind if it's all empty, I'm just debugging right now, but if you jump to a different node, yeah, this energy saves. For some reason I'm dealing with a bug where it doesn't, the save gets broken when it's trying to save the weapon controller. So for example, the weapon controller I allocated 2, then I jumped to a different node, it has 2, but the weapon's not charged, and now it's not synchronized properly. It's probably because of how the way the weapon controller and the weapons are tied together, but yeah, I'll just mark that as a bug for now and fix it. And the other stuff I did was basically worked on the attribute system when it comes to the energy. So the energy system is basically like also the upgrade system, like in Faster Than Light. So I had a hard time trying to figure out how to work with the current attributes. I mean when I want to make like the current layout of the data tables, because right now there's only one data table, and how our upgrade system works is like this actual system gets replaced with the other system with a different set of data on it, but that's not how the upgrade system works. So basically the attributes change depending on the level of the system based on the energy. So for example, the shield, it increments by 2, so every 2 energy it gets a level. And the engine increments by 1, so every time you add 1 energy, the level increases by 1. And you can also decrease it and put it to level 0. So the attribute system must be more dynamic now, which currently in the current setup is not that dynamic yet, since like I explained earlier how it works. So that part, I managed to find like a solution to this. So right now my solution is that the systems will have 2 types of data. One is the static attributes, so these are the attributes where that doesn't change depending on the level, and then the other one is the system level attributes, and this is the attributes that change depending on the level. So if I give you an example here, wait, there's too many tabs, and just close them. Okay, if I give you an example here, for example, the shield, this is the static. I should remove this. Wait. Okay, this is a shield. This is static data of the shield. So, for example, the regeneration, the health, stuff like that. And then this is the shield system level data table. So it has rows, and these rows has some attributes here. For example, right now I'm just debugging it, that's why I'm using system health, but for example in level 0, which is the disabled state, the system health would be 4, and level 1, which is the next row, system health would be 5, And the next one, level 2, system health to be 6. So right now the dynamic attribute is the system health, which changes depending on the level. And then the rest here are the attributes that are not changing depending on the level. So I made it like this so you can clearly set which attributes you want to change per level. So right now I set it to the health. Okay, so for example, if I let me show you that how it works. If I start the level, I have this. Okay, there's a bit of weird text here because of the new attributes I added for the energy slots. But okay, right now let me put the shield to level 0. Okay, wait. I think I made a mistake somewhere. Okay. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, that's weird. It should be starting at 4 system health. Wait a second, let me just try to fix this. Okay, so right now my shield's at disabled state, so no energy at all. If I hover over it, it has system health of 4 out of 4. If I add 1 energy, now system health increases to 5, so now it's 4 out of 5. If I add 1 more, it becomes 4 out of 6. So yeah, so now you can see that the attribute's changing. And also right now I don't know if the system health should adjust to the health. So right now it's still stuck at 4, but this system health is just for debugging anyway, so right now I don't think it's a problem. Okay, so yeah, system health's changing depending on the level, and I only changed the shield data for just debugging. I haven't done it to I haven't added proper data to the data table yet, since that will take some time, but I'll do it tomorrow. So that's one part, and also yeah, that's gonna be how the upgrade system works. So if you want to upgrade your system, you just add more slots. Okay, then what else? Saving. Yeah, to be honest, that's it. Most of my time is spent on the attributes and stuff. And yeah, I think that'll be my update for today. So yeah, thanks for watching. Okay, and I forgot to mention sorry, I forgot to mention my task for tomorrow. So for tomorrow, I'll try to finish up the energy system finally. So add the attributes to the systems, and they change depending on the level and stuff like that. And what else? And also fix a bug with the weapon controller not saving with the weapon. And then after that, after that I'll try to make a build already. I mean, not a build, but a playable version. And yeah, that'll be it. Okay, now I'm gonna end the video now. Thanks for watching.